Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing here on our channel. For today's unboxing, I am giving you my Ipsy February box. I decided to go every other month with Ipsy. You can definitely do that if you are wondering. So you can go on their site and there is a choice where you can do every other month. So I've been doing that with my Ipsy. So as you can see, I don't have nothing on my face, so you know that there's some skin stuff in here. So I have my brows, and I'm sorry if this is scary. At least you don't have to wake up to this face every morning, so take comfort on that. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please do give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And please do turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my videos, my unboxing. And also follow me on Instagram so you can see more of my looks. So if you guys are interested in my Ipsy unboxing, then just keep on watching. As you guys know, if you didn't, I updated my Ipsy. I am now getting the big box. This is not the $10 anymore, so up and away. I upgraded to, I believe it's $25 a month, but I do this every other month, so I'm happy with that. Let's go and see what our theme for this month. Of course, we know February is all about love. So our theme for this month is feel the love, like I said. So this is our card right here. It's really cute. Love the color. And inside, we don't have the list of the products.
It says, will you be our Valentine? It says, hey you, wow, you look great today. Not really. That shade is perfect on you. We wanted to let you know that you're doing a killer job. We get that life isn't always easy, and liquid eyeliner is so hard, but you totally got this. And just in case you needed to hear it, we love you so much. So give yourself a big hug. And let's keep in touch. Okay, talk to you later. Ipsy.
So we don't have a little card in here that has the list of our products, but we'll just go through it. I will find these products on the side. I'll put the price in the description below. Also, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. I believe my first Ipsy, when I upgraded from from $10 to the big box, I didn't get a bag, and I was like, that is one thing that I miss about getting the $10 every month, is you do get an amazing little pouch. So now they're putting it in the box, so I'm really happy, because this thing does come in handy when you travel. You can separate all your makeup and you can put it in here, so it really comes in handy. And they are so stylish. You can definitely even use this to go out and whatnot. So I have so many of them, you guys, so many. Our first product is a skincare. This is from Murad. It says that this is a Essential C Day Moisture, and it has a SPF 30. So this is what this product looks like, you guys. I'm just gonna take my stippling brush. I'm just gonna apply this generously onto my face, you guys. My skin needs a lot of moisture right now. I don't know, it's been so rough. This is a antioxidant rich SPF moisturizer with vitamin C and potent antioxidant ginkgo biloba leaf extract. It helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. The next product in our box is this foundation, you guys. Can you believe we have a full-size foundation in here? This is from Wonder Beauty. This is their Nude, Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. And this is in the shade medium. You guys, this thing, I thought it was a squeezy too, but we do have an applicator. So it says that this is a weightless fluid foundation formulated for full coverage with a natural radiant finish. That this is formulated without mineral oil, without parabens. Oh my god, I cannot see. Synthetic fragrance, cruelty-free, dermatologist tested. I can already tell that this is gonna be too light for me, because look at that. But it's okay. We're gonna make it work, you guys. We're gonna make it work. We're just gonna bronze up and we're good. I'd rather have foundation that is too light than too dark. That's probably too much, because when it's too dark, it's kind of hard to correct it. We're just gonna bring it down. We're just gonna bring it down to our neck. Ooh, wait. I think it's like blending into my skin tone. Is that? So this foundation is definitely buildable with the amount that I applied onto my skin. It's very sheer. So I can definitely apply one more coat and that should give me the coverage that I'm looking for. I think it's doable and it's not that light. So I'm gonna apply one more layer. I know I'm really close to you guys, but I just want to show you what it looks like with 2 layers. You saw how much I applied to my face. That's 2 coating, and I can still see my skin. I have like dark spots right here. I can still see them. I can definitely go one more coat, but I'm not going to. We're just gonna try to conceal that because, like I said, I don't like my foundation too thick, so I'm okay with it. I'm okay showing some of my imperfection. You know, I'm good with that. It's really light on the skin, and it's not sticky at all, you guys, at all. And I think it gives you just a little bit of glow on your skin. So if you're looking for a lightweight foundation, definitely give this a try because I really like it. I'm really excited for this palette, you guys. Look how cute this is. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is her Sweater Weather palette. Let's go ahead and open it. That's just a unicorn, you guys. This is the main palette right here. I have a little sweater going on, so I'm wearing a sweater, you know, got a matchy. So these are the shades that we have in here. That dark shade right there, I believe it's like a deep purple for sure. I went ahead and applied some tape on the eyes because we have liquid eyeliner and I can't do wing liner without the tape, so let's just do that. We also have to do the eyelid tape because we're doing wing liner. With that, I have to do the tape. So let's go ahead and take Sweater Weather. She said that is a perfect crease color and it does pick up a lot. That is gonna go, ooh, wow, okay, that is definitely pigmented. I like bringing my first shade all the way up here to my brow bone. It just makes it easier for me to blend all my colors. So that's something that I like to do. This is definitely blending so nice. If you guys don't like cool tones on your lid, don't worry because you did put a warm tone in here. This is Toasty. I'm also gonna put this on the lid just to deepen up our crease even more. But I think the combination of the cool tone and the warm tone on the crease, it's really nice. It gives you a good depth onto your crease, you guys. I like it. I went ahead and cleaned up a little bit on the lid. You guys know I love my half cut crease, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna start with Cuddle, this one right here. That's gonna go on the very inner part of our lid. I'm just gonna take this sponge applicator. I forgot to mention that all the shades are matte shades. There's no shimmer in this palette. Now we're gonna take Chill and we're gonna go and mix that with Cuddle, so they're gonna go Chill and Cuddle together. You will definitely need a brush to kind of mix this together. But I just want to use this to apply the product. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this eye right here so I can copy and paste the other side, you know? I'm gonna take Messy Bun, this one right here, and that's gonna go on the corner right here. I love this corner right here to be dark, so you see that a lot with my looks. And then I'm gonna go reapply that shade right here and that shade. The next product in our box is this liquid eyeliner. This is from the brand E.L.F. Makiage. I think that's how you say it. And this is what the applicator looks like. So you have a thick to thin applicator. I'm really happy with the eyes right now, so we're gonna leave it as is. If we have to retouch later, we'll do so, but this is where we're at right now. Like I said, with the ink liner or any liquid eyeliner, if you put a heavy pressure on the pen, you will create a thick line. Even with that, look how thin that is, and if you apply just barely on your pen, you will create a very thin line right there. Let's do that again. Depends on how much pressure you put on your pen. You can create a thicker line, you can create a thin line, you can, because I am doing a wing liner and using a liquid eyeliner, I have to apply my eyelid tape. If you guys are not aware, I'm doing giveaways with my eyelid tape. You guys need to check it out because you still have time to enter. I'm going to be picking the winner pretty soon, so I'm going to link that on the cards and also in the description below. I like doing my eyelid tape after I apply my shadow, and I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. This is from Lashy box. This is in the style Fancy. The last product in our box is this beautiful thing right here. This is from the brand Touch in Seoul. This is their Pretty Filter Soul Velvet Lipstick. Really pretty. I love the packaging. It is velvet. It is so soft, you guys. I love the color. So this is the shade of this lipstick, you guys. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I'm sure this is beautiful on its own, but I've been obsessed with lining my lips, so I just took the Huda Beauty lip contour. This is in the shade Trophy Wipe. I really like this for this lipstick. I think that they would go good together. Oh my god, it is so velvety. Oh, oopsie. Do you guys prefer regular lipstick or do you guys like liquid lipstick? Let me know. I'll put it in the cards. Pick one and let me know which one you guys like better. I'm really loving the shade. I really love this on me. So what do you guys think? Let me know. What do we think about the February Ipsy box? You guys, I love everything in my box. I got to pick the product. I picked the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. If there's a choice of a palette, I will definitely pick that and put it in my box. The liquid eyeliner did its job. Of course, the moisturizer, that's something that you have to keep on using to, you know, definitely see a difference with your skin. And of course, the foundation. I really like the foundation on me. It looks good on my skin. I didn't see it breaking apart. On the cards, you guys, let me know if you're subscribed to Ipsy, and then on the comment section, let me know if you got the same thing in your box. I would really love to see your box. Everything that you guys need to know about products on my face that I didn't mention, everything that's in this box, I will definitely list it in the description below if you guys are interested. Make sure you guys enter my giveaway that will end soon. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.